is like, I'm pretty sure it's like 11 o'clock already. I just woke up and it's day 2. Not sure what we have planned today, but we can go along for the adventure and see what fun we have for today. Right now, everyone is swimming outside, so I need to find a bathing suit and go swimming, so let's go swim. What is happening down here? Hi, Mom.
Hi, Jules.
Hi. I see it. Finally woke up, Mother. Does this look okay?
Yeah, boy, it does.
Yeah, boy, it does.
Is it?
Hi.
You're like, it's not a boob channel. I can like.
Mom, help.
Pop his ass.
Mom picked it. Yeah, these are high-waisted.
Is that in?
Yeah,
There's one in.
the high-waisted stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, high-waisted bottoms. They're so in. Gotta get with the trend, Dad. You gotta get high-waisted now.
Yeah. I'm gonna get high waisted. Okay.
Excuse me, I find that offensive. Pretty bird, I find it offensive. Walking with the moms. I'm running up to see what the board says on the lifeguard stand. This is like the closest and nearest lifeguard stand that there is, and it's right there. And sand is actually, it's nice, but it's hot. So let's go figure out what this says. Go get your ball! Get your ball, come on! of the day and I'm once again still burnt. Burnt as heck as ever. But you know what? I can't complain. I've know some people who probably have had worse, and I'm a little burnt on my face. I can finally see it now. Like, it's on my cheeks and definitely on my forehead because it burns a lot. But yeah, that's today. That's the end of today's vlog. Come back tomorrow for another vlog. It's gonna be fantastic, and it's just gonna be all about the beach. So don't know what you're gonna see tomorrow. It's just gonna be probably me on the beach. But I think tomorrow we're gonna plan something cool. So we're gonna make something with the sand. So you should definitely come back for tomorrow. I don't even know what I just said. Like, that was all mumble. This is what sunburn does to you people. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another vlog. See ya!